This is not a normal video. This is a call to action. You may or may not be familiar with Capra audio. I've made a ton of headphone reviews where I've referenced the Capra strap, a comfort mod that he 3D prints, you can actually make one yourself, that makes a lot of headphones way more comfortable. He makes it for an insane amount of models, but he also has open-sourced headphone designs you can make at home. And some of them are really, really good. In fact, the one he demoed at CanJam New York this year was one of the best things at the show, and it's something you can just make yourself at home. I was literally talking to him yesterday morning, and last night his house was caught in floods in West Virginia. The house was wrecked, the family had to retreat up to the second story of the house, and his workshop was caught in the flooding as well. Luckily, around 2 a.m., search and rescue did recover him and his family from the house, and they are now safe at a local school at high ground. But it puts him in a really tough spot. This is my call to action. Morgan from Hedamame made a GoFundMe for Brian to help his family, help them recover from this disaster. Capra has been a huge net positive for the community with his open source projects and just the support that he's provided for all kinds of other headphones in the industry. I personally am contributing, and if you're able to, if it's not a strain on your finances, I would encourage you to do the same. Brian is one of the people that has aspired to work in audio for a really long time, and now that his business is really starting to take off, it sucks to see something like this happen. And Capra, I would say, as a small business, is one of the most net positive influences that this hobby has had in a long time. So if you like open source, if you like audio, or if you've just gotten one of his straps and you know how comfortable they are, consider contributing to the recovery for his family, because stuff like this just sucks. And I would love to show Brian that after all this time of him having the community's back, the community has his back too. That's the whole video. I'll catch you guys soon. Peace.